Today we're going to be installing the pocket guard for the HD11. Included in your kit is going to be the pocket guard itself, a bungee cord, install hardware, and the hardware for your bungee cord with a 4mm hex key. You will need a 10mm socket or wrench and a 7mm socket or wrench and a 3mm hex key. To get started, we'll grab the pocket guard, one of the 4mm screws, and on the back side of the bungee, there's a flat side that will live up against the back of the pocket guard. And you'll add one of the lock nuts on this side. And then when you flip it over, you're gonna stretch the cable just a bit to get it over there. It's pre-cut to give you a little bit of tension. And once we have these snugged up, grab your 3mm hex key and your 7mm socket or wrench and just get everything snugged down. And we'll finish up on the other side. So now that we've got the bungee installed, let's head over to the HD11 and get this all set up. All right, so here we are at the HD11, ready for install. Just give this a quick cleanup just in case. Your pocket guard is going to mount from the underside up and it will just rest in place. So what we're going to do is take the link stud lights, those will drop in from the top and they'll just rest in place. You'll grab your 50mm screws, go ahead and just drop those in, and then from the bottom you'll install the pocket guard and it'll just rest through those screws. You'll take your flange nuts from the bottom, go ahead and just snug those up on each side, and grab your 4mm hex key and your 10mm wrench or socket and get everything tightened down. All right, now you got your pocket guard installed, ready to hit the trails.